Alright, new week. Not much going on this week. It's Thursday night. I've done a few lock setups this week, but haven't really recorded them because you've probably seen them. Windows got my laser cutting yesterday, so ran out of R31 hydro mount, so I've got another 12 of them to process for this week and get ready to go plating with all the other stuff. And this is my new part, so this is the flat pattern. If you watch one of my other videos, you've probably seen that I was going to do a 32 hydro mount. And this is them cut 3mm mild steel. It's got the slots for the folds. I folded one up just so you can see it, and that's pretty much it. Gonna stitch in a nut on the back here so it's captive, and then we'll TIG them out and then clean them up and then send them off to get zinc plated. And that's pretty much all we got for laser cutting this week. And there's another order, which is a whole heap of dimple plates. I'm running low on a lot of dimple plates, but I don't think I'll get that tomorrow, so it'll probably be a next week thing. So in the 32 I've got one of the welded ones in, just to check fitment and everything, so it comes out pretty good. You can see it got a radius to the back corner just to get a bit more clearance, but all in all fits under the strap brace nice. Doesn't clash with this side of the firewall. And then I'm just using the same setup that I use on my R32 BMC stoppers for it. It is slightly offset on the BMC stopper. Other than aesthetics, it's no real drama. Still transferring all the load on the firewall down into the strut. The strut's actually the strongest part of the car, so it's actually worked out quite well. Now that I've got a bit more weight, I can send them all off into plating. So, not too bad. Fits pretty good. Alright, new week. So it's Thursday this week. I've actually done a fair bit leading up to today. Most of it's just mainly Dimple dyeing gussets and stuff like that, so boring stuff, and I haven't actually recorded it. You've probably seen it in other videos if you watch my weekly updates. So got my urethane this week, so I've already processed the gearbox mounts. They're actually quite easy, so I get them in a block and I just push the pins in and then put the bolts in and then pretty much set them on the shelf. But these are the blocks for my engine mounts. So 080 urethane, get them done in black, and they're oven cured. You can see they're pretty solid, but they've got a bit of give. Just for the simplicity of the mold, I've just have a disc and then just pour it in and then they stick it in the oven. So I was going to machine a pin in it and make a pretty U-boot contraption, but the cost of it compared to drilling a hole in it in the lathe is massive. So these are the washers that go in it. Just get them laser cut, 3mm plate, get them zinc plated, and then yeah, just socket head cap screws, flat washers and nuts. So we'll just roll through these, drill the holes in it, and then I'll assemble it. And then I was going to TIG weld my R32 BMC stoppers, but as you can see, my TIG welder's not here. So I've messaged our mate to see what he's doing with it, but hasn't replied yet, so it's going to be a short night. So basically all we have to do is just put it in the 3-jaw chuck, get a 12mm drill bit and drill a hole in it. That's pretty much it. Do that 16 times and then we can assemble them. Right, now that we've machined all the blocks, we can start assembling them, and they're pretty easy. It's just a bit repetitive after a while. And that's as much fun as it is. So they're just a bolt through design. Pretty much similar to a solid, but the disc is just to spread the load, because if you had just the mount, it would most likely get to the point where it could crack it. So having the little square mount push on the whole plate on the whole surface actually makes them last a lot longer. So bolt the rest together. I've actually got a few to post, so wrap them all up tonight and get them all off to their new owners. These are a good little product, these ones. Actually been out of stock for a little while, so be good to get them back in stock. Well, it has been good to get them back in stock.